How to replace the front bezel. Before you begin, remove the side panel and the optical drive if installed. Removal. Pull up the 3 plastic tabs to release the front bezel from the chassis. Grasp either edge of the front bezel and pull gently backwards, away from the chassis. Remove the front bezel. Replacement. Align the 4 hooks located at the side edge of the front bezel with their slots on the unit. Push the front bezel forward, towards the chassis, until the 3 plastic tabs click into place.